This is Andrea here, and we are back with the rest of our jewelry bag. Let's go ahead and get started. This is all the stuff we untangled. This is a Kappa Omicron new medal. It's the Honor Society. Pretty cool. The necklace looks like it's missing a jewel here, so we'll put that in our little craft bag. Someone else can use it. This is beautiful. I love the color on here. It's so soft. That soft pink. Very pretty. This is pretty. I don't know if it's handmade or not, but it sure is gorgeous. And it's on this rope. Yeah, it doesn't have a name on it, but look at the colors on that. It's gorgeous. There's some apple seed necklace, really long. Hematite necklace with a little surfboard. It says Hawaii on it, and it has a little turtle. So cute. This is really pretty. I love the colors on that. A lot of colorful jewelry in this. Very pretty. This is gorgeous. I'm not regularly a seed bead person, but this right here with the shell, I think it's beautiful. We have a black necklace, beaded. This is very pretty. That would go great with like a prom dress. This is gorgeous. This would be beautiful on a sundress. I love that. We have some pearls. Very pretty. Some more pearls. Longer strand. And this is a pretty pearl necklace. It's very long. It's got these stations here that are, this one is crystals. And it's by Ellen Tracy. Very pretty. Another small pearl necklace. Stretchy. This is really pretty. Let's put it on the longer loop here. There we go. And it's adjustable. Little crystals. I'll be right back. Hey, we're back. And I found 3 of these necklaces. They are heart lockets. One says Ariana. The other says Maya, and this one says Jordan. And they're just cute little heart lockets. That are hard to get open. There we go. Very pretty. Come on a nice long chain. And there's 3. So that turned out nice. Then we have a headband. I believe this is a headband. Yeah, it's a headband. This is a beautiful statement necklace. That soft pink again. Very pretty. It's a nice choker. It's the back of it. No markings. No markings on hardly any of this jewelry. This is beautiful. I love the peach. That's what it looks like. Laid out. Very nice. This one is really nice. They put it together real nice. I love the blue on here. It's just gorgeous. And it's 3 strands and adjustable. It's another headband. This is different. It's a rope necklace with these pretty dangles here. Very pretty. Let's see, it says Vintage America. That's who made that. This is a nice one. Statement piece. I love how it lays. That's gorgeous. It's like a mauve. Pretty. Oh, here's another one of those necklaces. It just doesn't have a black card. This one says Daniela. It's a locket also. It's a shell necklace that's stretchy. This one is also shell with a piece of silver on top. It's gorgeous. I love that blue. There's another beautiful piece. Used to have a tag on it. Silver tone with multi-layers. And a nice tassel at the bottom. Then we have this piece, which is missing a lot of rhinestones, so it'll go in our craft bag. And we have an ankh. Pretty. It's a little cross. This one's really different. It's a leather necklace with cameos, a flower, a bow, a heart, just really random stuff, but I think it's pretty. It's another cross. This one says Believe. On the back it says Camco, C-A-M-C-O. It's a shell necklace. This one needs a little TLC. It's rose gold. I think I'm going to put this in the craft bag. Maybe someone can do something with this beautiful chain. It's a graduation necklace. It's plastic. It's got the little graduation cap. Cute. Nice heavy statement necklace. Gold tone. No markings. Very pretty. My pile's getting high over here. So a cute little heart necklace with a unicorn. This one's pretty. It's got a little sticker on here. comes off. Yeah, it came right off. Must have had the price tag there. Nice piece. Pair of clip-on earrings with the crystals. They don't even match. Those are two different earrings. Craft bag for that one. It's a gold tone necklace. That's pretty. Nice long chain. It's another gold tone necklace with little feathers. This one's really gorgeous. Look at that. Very beautiful. I love that necklace. This one's really pretty too. It's got like a Greek key on here. And this one says love. Pretty. Oh, I love rhinestone necklaces. This one's gorgeous. The pearls and the tassel. That's beautiful. This one is adorable. Little husky. And then this one's really pretty. We got a couple little stretch bracelets. Silver tone. This one is, it's cold. I want to say maybe it's marble. It's got the weight of marble. This one's really pretty. Black rhinestones. This is gorgeous. Look at that. I like that one. Very pretty. This one is cute. Ow. Kind of tight, but it's cute. Pretty green color. And they're all shells. Then there's this one. Stretchy. Little butterfly. Cute for summertime. Pretty gold tone chain. Bracelet. Couple little bangles. This one was being sold for $1.99. This one needs to be cleaned, but it's so pretty. I like that one. And then we found a half teaspoon scoop. These gorgeous, gorgeous earrings were in there. Look how beautiful those are. Those are gorgeous. Rose gold. I love this pen. It says mom on there with a flower basket and a gift. Some hearts. Nice silver tone chain. You could hang lots of charms off of. This is a little token with a cross on it and then a message. It's called The Cross in My Pocket. Really neat. There's a nice stretchy bracelet. These are all acrylic beads. And we have this shell bracelet. This is so pretty. I love that. The pink is gorgeous. And we have a turtle bracelet with a fish, a turtle, a fish, and a shell. So cute with glass beads. Stretchy. We have a pair of clip-ons. These are gorgeous. Look at those. Beautiful. And we have this bracelet, which is really faded. I wish there was something I could do to bring it back besides spray paint, you know. I don't think I can even spray paint it, but it's so pretty. It's a very pretty bracelet. And we have this pair of earrings, gold and silver tone, no markings, just really pretty. And we have a pair of rhinestone earrings. Oh, and there's one missing rhinestone right there. That was pretty. They're all gone. These are black rhinestone earrings. This is a bracelet made by Tanya Creations. Pretty. Then we have the last piece are these beautiful earrings. And these are a stone, I just don't know what kind. And this is silver tone and gold tone. Very pretty. And that was it for all that tangle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.